Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how fish produce light. We'll explore the fascinating world of bioluminescence, where certain marine creatures generate their own glow. This incredible ability is not magic, but a complex chemical process. It allows fish to thrive in the ocean's darkest depths, providing them with unique advantages for survival and interaction. Fish primarily create light in two main ways. Many species house special light-emitting bacteria in dedicated organs, providing a constant glow. Other fish generate light internally through a chemical reaction involving a molecule called luciferin and an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction produces a cold light, meaning very little heat is generated, making it highly efficient. The reasons fish produce light are diverse and crucial for their survival. Some use it for counter-illumination, matching the faint light from above to avoid predators. Others flash unique patterns to attract mates or communicate within their species. Deep-sea predators, like the anglerfish, employ a glowing lure to entice unsuspecting prey closer in the vast, dark ocean. Beyond natural bioluminescence, humans have also engineered fish to glow. Scientists introduce specific genes from naturally luminous organisms, like jellyfish or sea corals, into fish embryos. These modified fish, often seen in home aquariums, serve as fascinating educational tools and are valuable for various scientific studies, showcasing the incredible potential of genetic engineering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.